Hello, my mortgage professional friends. It's Chris Johnstone. Greetings from Tanzania, Africa. I'm here with my two young kids and my incredible, beautiful, amazing, lovely wife because of artificial intelligence. How is that? Well, I'm going to be here for 2 weeks, and artificial intelligence is answering all of my emails. It is building our marketing and advertising to go out so we can continue to generate leads. And it is helping our customer support team give incredible customer support and customer service to all of our clients. And you can have the same thing running in your mortgage business. So what I'm going to do in this video is basically break down the 5 things that you need in order to implement artificial intelligence in your mortgage business in a way so that you can work less while actually taking the time that you save to dedicate it to the only activities that are going to rapidly grow your business. And this works whether you're brand new to the industry or you're a seasoned veteran that might have low-hanging fruit, which almost all of you do, even the top producers. So here's how it works. The first thing that you need to do is use artificial intelligence in order to get more deals from your database. Your database likely sends you a lot of deals. It could send you a lot more if you communicated with them more often. It is absolutely proven by Google and some of the largest companies in the world that the more often you communicate with your database, the more referrals that you actually get, because recency creates action. And so the way that you use artificial intelligence in order to get more deals from your database is by giving them something of value each and every single month. Now, I have a free prompt that you can take that you put into ChatGPT, and it creates a ChatGPT task. And what that does is it goes out and researches your marketplace every single month, finds the biggest headlines, the latest news in mortgage, real estate, and what's going on in your local community, and it packages together a newsletter and writes it for you. Then it writes the email to go to your past customers. It writes the email to go out to your qualified real estate referral partners and your referral partners that you're doing business with. And it writes all of the social media posts in order to promote the newsletter. And ChatGPT, you put this prompt in once, every single Friday morning at 8 a.m., it will deliver all of the content for you. You take it, you send it out to your database. Then, once or twice a week, depending on how large your database is, you call and say, did you get the newsletter? What did you think? Do you know anybody that's actively looking to buy, sell, or refinance? If you are not making those calls to your database once a month, right now, you are losing money. So you should pay somebody to make those phone calls for you, because what you pay the person to make the calls compared to the return that you get with the revenue that you generate from the mortgage loans that you close is astronomical, in my opinion, for the people that we've helped launch this system in the past. So absolutely, you should be using AI to create the content to market to your database. So that's strategy number 1. Now, if you would like our loan officer CRM to send all those messages for you, you can go to loanofficercrm.ai. If you would like us to book your appointments for you and make your phone calls, go to Loan Officer AI CRM or loanofficercrm.ai. Just type Loan Officer CRM into Google, right? We're number 1 on Google, loanofficercrm.ai. Request a consult with our team. They can talk about us booking your appointments for you, us getting you ranked on the front page of Google, or our CRM running your business for you, right? So head on over there. Sign up for a free consult. Our team will take care of you. They'll ask you a bunch of questions, identify the lowest hanging fruit in your business, and then show you how we can help go get it. You can go get it on your own or pay us to help you. That's our whole thing, right? Value first. So what is the number one way to use AI to go out and grow your mortgage business? Well, it's providing value to the loans that you currently have in process. So what a lot of people do in the mortgage industry is they get somebody pre-qualified or they have a deal in process and they just expect the deal to fund as a natural cause of business. And what we've discovered is that you have to continue to sell people through the process. And you can dramatically increase the number of deals that you take from pre-qualification to close by simply providing value and keeping in touch with those people on a weekly cadence to keep them motivated, keep them moving forward, and continue to close that business. We've been through a really weird market over the last 2 years, and there's a lot of people that wanted to buy that couldn't and that are now buying that you've fallen out of touch with, and they've gone to another lender. So how do you solve that problem? How do you continue to generate those relationships? Well, the answer is introducing them to all of the other referral partners and value that you have in your network over a series of stages, so it makes sense to keep in contact with them. I'm talking about your insurance professionals, your financial planners, the title companies, the home stagers, the contractors that they're going to need to help fix the house that they're selling and also repair the house that they're buying or improve the house that they're buying. All of the people that you work with, and there's actually 13 of them that we've identified that become really good referral partners over time, you should have an automatic sequence that goes out to everybody that you pre-qualify that teaches them about why those services are valued, how they can actually use something, and AI writes all the content. And then you say, hey, my Rolodex is your Rolodex. So anytime you need to talk to a professional, reach out to me. I'm happy to make an introduction for you. So you're actually taking the pre-qualification and turning it into a referral opportunity with another referral partner that can send you business to open up that relationship, provide value, and start generating referrals while also closing more of the deals that you have in your pipeline by providing value and offering relationships, which is another value to those customers. So that's the number 2 way that you use artificial intelligence to create those emails, create that content, send it out to people when you get them pre-qualified. The number 3 way is to actually generate new realtor referral relationships. So inside the Loan Officer AI CRM, we have unlimited qualified agent data of both the real estate agents and the loan officers. So you can go into the system, see how many deals they're doing, who they're sending their business to, the full stats on them. You hit import, it imports them into the workflow that we have pre-built that's ready to go out for those agents. And then it starts giving them value every single week and giving offers to get those people to actually book an appointment with you and have that first call. So you have the beginnings of a relationship that you can turn into more referrals from those referral partners in the future. Now, the way that artificial intelligence helps you get more of those relationships is by responding to the conversations that you have from those qualified agents in real time. Because when our system automatically sends the messages out and you're making phone calls to those qualified agents, when they respond back, you have about 5 minutes before they go, and they're on to the next thing. The first 5 minutes of any conversion, a new lead, a referral from a past customer database, or a new conversation with a new qualified agent who could potentially send you business in the future, it's 5 minutes. So you have to be using AI to automatically respond back to those conversations. Now, we've got templates that have pre-written prompts for how to book appointments with qualified real estate agents. You put it in the CRM, it's already there, you just fill it out with your information, and it has conversations with qualified agents and books them onto your calendar for you. So that's number 3. Number 4 is automatic appointment reminders with smart conversation technology. So we have a system inside the Loan Officer AI CRM. When you book an appointment with somebody, it automatically follows up and gets them the date and time and makes sure that they know and they show up. We dramatically increase, actually in one study that we did, we doubled the number of people that were actually showing up to appointments by simply having this reminder sequence. But it's intelligent because people can respond back and say, oh, hey, I've had something come up. Can you do tomorrow at this time? The AI picks up, can see your calendar, and automatically rebooks the appointment for you at the time that's convenient for the person that you book the appointment with. So they show up at the date and time that's convenient for them. And if there's a reschedule, then it automatically takes care of it for them. There's also, people will have these little questions before the appointment. And again, if you miss that question or it takes you too long, they won't show up on the appointment if the question is unanswered and the AI takes care of answering the question for you. The number 5 way we're using AI in order to close more deals is actually having AI pick up the phone. And we generate leads from people that are searching for real estate online. So we run ads on Google and we get our clients ranked inside of ChatGPT. When people find those businesses, they call them. The majority of mortgage lenders don't pick up their phones. the first time somebody calls them. And that means those people go to another lender. I believe the statistic is 83% of home buyers do business with the first lender that they talk to. So arguably, the most profitable activity that you can do is picking up your phone. Well, our AI now sits and watches, and if you don't pick up the phone, it answers. It identifies itself as artificial intelligence and then answers any questions that they have and then books an appointment for you so that it just pops up in your calendar and you're able to win that client because they got the answer to the question that they wanted and booked the appointment to take the pre-qualification with you. And then they show up on the appointment, you get the pre-qualification, and you win that consumer direct business. So you can generate those customers from Google Ads, from organically ranking on the front page of Google with 5-star ratings and reviews, or ranking inside of ChatGPT. And again, our team can help you with all of those things. But if you're missing any of those 5 things in your mortgage business, you should absolutely go to loanofficercrm.ai. Fill out your information on the pop-up that comes up on the page and book a call with our team. They will ask you a bunch of very strategic questions on where you get your business from and identify the one area that's going to make an immediate impact using artificial intelligence to help you close more loans. Then, once we have that implemented in your business, or you go and implement it on your own, you're going to be ready for the next step to close more business from artificial intelligence. Just like I've gone through the journey to be able to be here in Africa with my family and still have our business run and provide phenomenal service to not only our customers, but also empower our staff with amazing tools, you can get there too. And we've already walked the path in our own business. We already have the plan for the mortgage business, and we would love to walk you through it. So head on over to loanofficercrm.ai, fill out the form, book a consultation with our team, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the other side. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, send it to somebody that you care about in the mortgage industry so it can help them as well. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.